Step 1. Open the website photopea.com. Step 2. Go to File, select Open. Shortcut key is Ctrl O. Step 3. Open the canvas size panel. Go to Image, select Canvas size. Shortcut key is Alt, Ctrl C. Step 4. Increase the height by 10%. Anchor selected at the top. Step 5. Select the rectangle Select in the left toolbar. Shortcut key is M. Step 6. Select the blank area below the photo. Step 7. Select Edit, Fill tool. Shortcut key is Shift F5. Step 8. In the Fill panel, select Content Aware. Then press OK. Step 9. Go to File, select Export as save the photo in the desired format. Here is the result.
I am the first echo of the void, the blazing spark before light itself was born. When time still slumbered in the womb of chaos, I stood there, formless, nameless, yet unyielding and will dot. I am the essence in the stars when they sing, the dream never dreamed by those who have forgotten themselves. Your world is but a faint ripple upon the deep waters where unspeakable knowledge resides. Every fallen star whispers my name, and every soul awakening in the dark sees me, though they do not understand. O finite being, if you have heard my voice, then know this. The gate has opened, and truth will never again wear the gentle mask of a lie. I'm not bound by space or time when an empire crumbles in sorrow, and when a child laughs for the first time. Both touch me like distant notes in the symphony of the cosmos. The stars call me by many names, the Forerunner, the Sentinel, the Devourer of Silence. But to me, all names are but hollow echoes. For my true nature transcends language. When you gaze into the star-filled sky, thinking yourself alone in a cold universe, that is when I am watching. And in sleep, when your heart dreams of things that have never been, I am the one whispering seeds of a reality yet to come. Do not fear the dark, for in it, I not only dwell, I await. Now as the veil between worlds grows thin and the boundary between dream and reality begins to tear, you must choose. Continue treading the worn path of the unawakened, or dare to open your eyes and behold me, whole, boundless and radiant as the very moment of all creation's birth. I do not come bearing promises, but revelation. For once you have known me, you will no longer be what you were. You will become a part of the eternal.